Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today I'll be talking about a penny stock. The ticker symbol is OEG for Orbital Energy Group. The reason I want to talk about this particular stock is after the latest US election, we know that with the new government there will be a tax credit for clean energy, and just after the election we have seen massive rise of plug power, CLSK, fuel cell. So Orbital Energy Group also follows that path, should be following that path, because this is also related to renewable energy. But still, it has not graduated from the penny stock category. Still the price is around $2. So this is a penny stock, and we all know that penny stocks are risky, but they can give you huge return. So before you make any decision of buying and selling, please make your due diligence, because I will be just sharing my own opinions. I'm not a financial advisor. Anyway, but I want to mention that looking at the chart, it does not look like it's the regular, not regular, the penny stock, where there's a sudden rise then the fall and it never rises back. Because if I look at the pattern, some monthly pattern, you can see the stock has been rising month by month. There is a red, but I will touch that later. If I look at plug power, you can see the similar thing. It was a penny stock, like $2, then it is with the same monthly pattern. Now this is sitting at around $35, and actually after our plug is I think close to $44 because of a huge contract of 1.5 billion. Anyway, if I look at fuel cell, you can see the same pattern, like a penny stock, 0.3, $2, then currently sitting at $13. If I look at Arc, you can also see similar things, like starting from $2 or even below $2. Currently is like $36, $7 mark. So let's go back to our stock. This is the monthly pattern. If I look at the weekly pattern, you can still see week by week the stock is rising. It's not like it just had a huge price increase in one day, then a massive fall, then it's staying flat. No, this stock is increasing month by month, week by week. So I will not touch a lot of details on the fundamental of the company, but in general, Orbital Energy Group, OEG. So this is a clean energy company. This is a publicly traded company dedicated to maximizing shareholder value through the acquisition, mark that word, acquisition and development of innovative companies to create a diversified energy infrastructure service platform. OEG's group of business includes Orbital Gas System, Orbital Power Service, Orbital Renewables, and Orbital Solar Service. So you see, all of these are like clean energy, right? Clean energy. And one of its mission is to acquisition of similar other companies if it has enough cash in hand. I will also look at the third quarter 2020 financial result, and you can see that comparing 2019 and 20, the total revenue increased by 124%. The gross profit also increased from 1.4 million to 2.4 million. I will not touch all the details, and I might actually I will refer you to one of my favorite YouTuber, Jackie Spencer. He has a good video on touching the fundamental of this stock. If you want, you can go and check this stock. In my channel, I do not go on the fundamental, rather I look at the technical pattern, and so that we can decide whether this stock to buy or sell. Anyway, so the red candle I was mentioning here, it happened because there was a share offering on December 31st. So they offered 5.5 million of shares at a price of $1.8, and with that news the stock dropped. Makes sense. So you see December 31st, so the stock was rising from $2, 165, it had like a max of 2.8. Then they offered some stock and it was $1.8, and you see the stock came down to $1.8, right? Yeah. So normally when there is a stock offering, the stock price goes down, but what we can see that the stock price never went below 1.8, meaning that there are long-term investors who believe that that stock offering was good for the company. So whenever there was a dip, they bought the dip. And all the long week of the candle, you can see like there are heavy dip buyers. So whenever the stock price dropped, they bought it and put it forward. That's a good sign. Now, if we look at the daily daily candles here, I can see a pattern, a bull pattern. So basically the stock increase its price, then currently this stock is accumulating. You can see the volume, that there is a huge volume, then the volume is decreasing, but there is no heavy selling pressure here. It means that the stock is accumulating at one point, then more buyers will come and the stock will shoot higher again. So currently like we saw like a little bit of breakout of that pattern today, so maybe tomorrow like it can break out, or maybe it can be within the triangle, maybe tomorrow or the day after. But whenever you see a breakout of that pattern, it's a bull sign and the stock price will rise. Maybe it can go up to $2.8, or maybe it can go 3 for $5. But I see a very I see a rise in the stock price in next few days. It could be in next 2 to 3 days. This is my assumption. This is looking at the daily chart. If I look at 30-minute chart, this is a 30-minute chart again. You can see like there is a support around $1.8. So the stock price came at $1.8. This is the price where the stock 5.5 million share was offered. So whenever the stock price came at 1.8, someone bought it. So it never came below 1.8. So if I do not consider the wick, the support is like $1.9, and I can also see the bull flag pattern, like it's following the pattern. Again, like this, today is 6th of January, tomorrow is 7th, 8th. So maybe next 2-3 days, the stock price can be within that triangle between the blue and the green line, or it might just break the pattern. So what I'm saying, if you see the stock price comes around 1.8 or 1.9, maybe you can buy. The stock is very cheap. You can start with 50 or 100 share. I don't see the stock. If you buy like $2, it will come back to $0. Maybe it can come up to 1.6 or something, right? So you're not losing like all money. Or if you see there is a breakout, maybe you can also enter. But I see like 1.8 or 1.9, that would be a good entry for this stock. Moving from there, if I look at the 5-minute candles, you can again see there is a nice bull pattern. The stock is within that pattern, so it's not following. So what does it mean? That maybe tomorrow or the day after, it will be moving around the remaining part of the triangle, or it might go up, or it can just break the pattern and just go up. So the whole purpose of making this video is there will be a most probably there will be an increase in share price. So save this stock in your watch list. There might be a breakout, you can enter and get some quick profit. I think like once the stock price will reach around like $2.7, you can get out, or you can take 50% of your share profit, and you can leave the rest if it goes higher. So it's entirely up to you if you want to buy 50 stock or 100 stock. Personally, what I did, I bought some option because the share price is low. So if you want, you can, if you believe like there will be an increase in price. This is the strike price February 19th, and the strike price is 2.5. I bought that call option. So basically I'm believing that by February 19th the stock price will be around $3. It will be $3. Now if the stock price goes to $3 in a week, then definitely like you will get like 100% return. So, and you can choose February 19th. If you need more time, you can choose April 16th. Still the premium is very cheap, is only $78. So if you believe that by April 16th the stock price will be like $3.25, then you can buy it. So again, like instead of buying 50 share which will cost $100, you can just spend $78, and you can give yourself up time up to April 16th, so you will get some time. Anyway, these are my thoughts, and I wanted to share because I believe like there will be a price jump for this stock, and as I always said, I want to bring you those stocks which are about to break out. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and also if you want to get regular updates from my channel, I publish 2 to 3 videos every day. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much, and let's make money together.